let me remind everyone that we are willing to help you, but the work, the majority, the bulk of the work should come from you. You should
Correct.
acknowledge that you yourself should decide that you want to move forward, that you want to do things to help you get back on track. All right? So you have to also push yourselves na gusto mo rin, na matulungan ka ng iba. All
Correct.
right?
Empower yourself and know na it starts pa rin, no, with you. Kaya nga ang tawag doon is talagang self, no? Self-love, self-care. You need to do everything to boost our self-esteem. Kaya puro self yun. Kasi definitely it should start always with us. And remember that really, no, all of these naman, we need to be proactive. Proactive lagi tayo. Let's be proactive rather than be passive, na proactive always, and work towards that goal, na work towards that goal. So take it one day at a time. Yun din pala, ha, para we do not feel too overwhelmed, no? Baka sobrang takot na tayo and we overthink and we overthink. Stop overthinking by focusing on the here and now. What do I need to study and to finish today, here and now? Take it a day at a time, and at the end of the day, celebrate small victories. Kahit na yung victory na yon is bumangon, bumangon at naligo, okay na yon. Kasi nga, take it a day at a time para wag naman masyadong ma-overwhelm. Then take it slow, no? It's a process again. And I'm sure that the team of Dr. Criza will be here to guide you also through the process. So maraming salamat, Doc Criza, and everyone. I wish you all the best, and I will always keep you in my heart and thoughts and prayers, especially for the upcoming August board exams.